Sheriff's note. Kids, it's very important not to stay up late. Getting enough sleep is like filling up your body with fuel, making you feel great the next day. Good sleep habits will help you stay healthy and strong. Please remember that.
ZreeBze MAGIC! Little fish, have some water! What's happening? Achoo! Oh, it's getting cold in here. Now everything's freezing! Oh my goodness! The ice is coming! Run! What's going on here?
Please remember that.
Wow, smells great!
So relaxing. Minute.